Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix DraftKings location not supported. So to fix DraftKings location not supported error, you can start by turning on your Wi-Fi because DraftKings triangulates location using nearby Wi-Fi networks even if you are using a cellular data. Now the next what you can do is set the permission to always. Just navigate to your device settings, then search for location services and make sure that the location services is turned on and scroll down to find DraftKings. Make sure that the location access is set to always and the precise location is turned on. Now the next what you can do is toggle airplane mode. Just turn your airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it back off to reset your cellular and GPS antennas. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.